I want to talk to you about YouTube and free speech. And the reason is I got a comment recently on one of my videos that where I was trying to suggest that people should start a YouTube channel if you're over 40. Something I feel strongly about, but this person apparently didn't. Beautiful view. Anyways, yeah, so I received a comment from this person. Sorry, just giving you a bit of a view of where I'm at. I'm out for a walk. I just went for a run. So, and this popped into my head. I thought, hey, why not make a video about this? So I'm not really prepared. I don't have my new mic on. I'm just using my AirPods. There's a mic in there, so hopefully that'll get rid of some of the wind noise. Other than that, I'm just using my phone. So anyways, the comment I got, and I'm going to paraphrase because I don't have any notes with me, but it was basically like, you know, starting a YouTube channel is the worst thing in the world you can do. You're not allowed to give your opinions, you know, opinions are deleted. There's no free speech. I should be allowed to say whatever I want, but for whatever reason, YouTube deletes my videos. They're bad company, blah, blah, blah. I forget exactly what he said, but anyways, so where do I start? First of all, YouTube is not a free speech platform, okay? I'm all for free speech. You know, say what you want as long as you're not hurting people. I personally don't agree with being mean to people for no reason, but yeah, so, but YouTube is not it's not a forum where you can go and say whatever you want and have your comments stay up there. When you post a comment on a YouTube video, the owner of that channel has the right to either leave your comment there or delete it. It's completely up to them. They own the channel. So for somebody to say, you know, I should be allowed to say whatever I want, and why is YouTube deleting my videos? It's not YouTube that's deleting the videos. It's the person who owns the channel where they're posting their comments. Sorry, deleting comments. So maybe I should slow down. I'm out of breath. Anyways, my point is, and if he's worried about his comments being deleted, then it's probably because his comments are not applicable to the video he's commenting on, or they're mean-spirited comments. So take me, for example, my channel, my videos. I don't want comments like that on my videos. I don't want people trying to tell others to not start YouTube channels and telling them that it's a stupid idea, because I don't believe that. And a lot of the people I'm trying to reach, one of the issues that they have is that they're concerned with potential negative comments on the channel. They don't want to have to deal with it. And I get that. I totally get that. It sucks when you get negative comments. And trust me, there's a lot more worse comments than that you could get and that I have gotten. So busy spot. So yeah, where was I going with that? Let's go back this way. My point is, if you want to help, if you want to be helpful, if you want to leave a comment that is either helpful to the person who posted the video or helpful to the other commenters, great, that's awesome. And then that's what I think the comment section is for, typically, for YouTube videos. Again, it really depends on what the video is about, I suppose, but if you're going to be negative right out of the gate and say things like stupid idea, you're stupid for even suggesting it, and things like that, more often than not, a comment like that is going to be deleted by the channel owner. Okay? And deleting is not the only thing the owner can do. Okay? If you get a comment that you would you don't want it to be there, but maybe you don't want the commenter to know that you've deleted it, then you can hide the comment. Hiding the comment, what that does is it hides it from you, so you don't have to see it anymore, but it also hides it from everybody else, okay? But the original poster, the person who posted the comment, they don't know that it's hidden. They can still see it. They think it's still there. So in a way, that's kind of funny. You know, they're spouting off and saying these things, probably trying to look for a reaction, and they're not getting any reaction because nobody is seeing their comment, right? So that's an option. You can hide a comment. And actually, when you hide a comment, it's not the comment you're hiding, it's the person, right? It's the user. If you're hiding a user from a comment, then what it does is it hides every comment that user has posted for any of the videos on your channel. I feel like these are falling out. So yeah, that's a great tool. That's a great tool to have. So, but see, my point is, the person who left this comment, and I don't even honestly remember if I hid it or deleted it or even left it up. You know, sometimes I leave it up because the other thing is, what people don't realize is by leaving a comment, they're actually helping the video and the channel, right? By boosting engagement, right? So if you can handle leaving comments like that on your channel and you don't think it's going to negatively affect the other people who are watching your videos, leave it up. You can leave it there. That's fine. But again, if you delete it or hide it, especially if you delete it, because if you delete it, then the original person who posted it will know it was deleted. If they go back and look for it, they'll see that it's gone. That's why they think, you know, YouTube is censoring me. YouTube is deleting my videos, and that's not fair, blah, blah, blah. And that's kind of where the title of this video comes from. Not a fair fight. Well, is it a fight, really? It's not. YouTube is not the government. YouTube is not a forum where you're allowed to go say whatever you want. It's basically a platform where other people can post videos to the internet for others to see and comment on. And it's up to them if they want to leave the comments there or not. And that's it. That's it. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you're worried about things like that, don't be, because you're in total control of it. And if you do get negative comments and you're not sure how to handle them, and maybe they put you in a bad place for a while, you know, you're depressed or disappointed, or maybe don't feel like continuing because of it, just try to remember that the people who are posting these negative comments, they're the ones with the problem, okay? They are the ones that there's something lacking in their life for them to feel like they have to do that, okay? It's not your problem. It's only your problem if, I guess, you allow it to bother you. So try to think about that. Try to think that, or try to remember that it's them that have the problem for whatever reason. Something bad is going on in their life. Maybe they're going through a divorce, or, you know, they're getting bullied, or and they feel like they need to bully others. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's not your problem. So try not to worry about it. But yeah, the point of this video is YouTube is not a free speech forum. It's not a fight. It's a place to share information and try to help others out. And if you create a YouTube channel and you do it with the intention of helping others, then that's awesome. That'll give you the best chance of succeeding, in my opinion. So yeah, that's it. I'm just kind of walking in circles out here. Let me know if you enjoy this type of video as opposed to the ones I usually shoot in my office. This gives you a little bit of a view of the outside. It's really beautiful here. I'm in Nova Scotia, Canada. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and all the best to you. Good luck, and I'll see you in another video. All right, bye.